This 3-bedroom in Austin just hit the market, and I already know your first question. Yes, that's real hardwood all the way through. The backyard gets the good evening light and the kitchen. You'll want to see the kitchen in person.
That wasn't me. Well, it was, but like the avatar version of me. I made it in HeyGen from about 2 minutes of footage and my own voice. And I'm telling you, this might be the most useful thing AI does for real estate agents right now. Because that clip, I created it while sitting on my couch in my pajamas. Today, we're making yours. And let's make it good. Because the difference between an avatar that your clients trust and the ones that they side-eye is decided based on getting this set up right from the start. Making videos isn't the hard part. Making enough of them is. Every listing deserves its own video. Every time rates move, your clients want to hear it from someone they trust. So agents typically film none of it. That is what your avatar is for. You record yourself once, properly, which is what we're about to do. And after that, every one of those videos starts with typing. The showings and the IRL stuff, it's still all you. This is for the video that otherwise would have never gotten made. Let's build your avatar together by starting with a good photo. And if you're a real estate agent, I know you have a good photo. That photo decides how your avatar looks in every video. So the wardrobe, the background, the lighting, that's all about the photo you pick. The recording comes second, and it's doing a different job. Framing. Head and shoulders centered 2 to 3 feet out. Your phone is plenty, 1080p or better, propped onto something so it doesn't move. If you have lighting, great. Otherwise, face a window. Soft, indirect daylight straight into your face. If you've ever opened curtains before listing photos, it's the same idea. It works on people too. Background, simple and still. A wall, your bookshelf, your office. What you don't want is movement back there. And wear what you would wear to a listing appointment. You want to look like the person who shows up at the door. No big logos, no text, no busy patterns. Solid colors read best. One thing from experience, pick something you like but isn't too memorable because your avatar is going to wear it a lot. You can change the outfit later, but I want your base ready to go. 5 minutes on all of that buys you quality in every video your avatar makes. When it comes time to record your video, there are a few things I want you to keep in mind. The rules are short. 1 continuous take, no cuts, no edits. If you flub a line, keep going or start over. Eyes on the lens the whole time, even when you pause. Hands in frame below your chest. Keep it loose, smile, react. Include clear pauses between sentences. The pauses matter. They're how your avatar learns what you look like when you're not talking, which in a listing video is half of the job. Speak clearly at a moderate pace with real energy. HeyGen puts a script on your screen. Read it, and when it runs out, just keep talking. Tell the camera about the neighborhood you know best. If it makes you more comfortable, find a free teleprompter app to give you a script or bullet points to follow. Record there, then upload the full video when you're prompted. It doesn't matter what you say, it matters how you say it, because whatever energy you record is the energy your avatar brings to every video it makes. Now we have our footage. Let's go into HeyGen. Left nav, avatar, the new avatar. HeyGen asks what kind you're making. We're cloning a real person. That's your digital twin, the option built from real footage of you. The good thing is, HeyGen sets up everything for you. It walks you through the process in order. Appearance, then motion, then voice. You just answer what it asks. Your photo goes in first, so the look is yours from the start. And you're not stuck with it. The outfit and the settings can change later without re-recording anything. Upload the take you just recorded, straight from your computer, or record on your phone and it comes in from there. Now let's dial in the voice. I've noticed people like to skip this part, which is a mistake because your face is what makes someone stop scrolling, but your voice completes the picture. It's probably already solid, but since your whole business runs on how you talk to people, let's do it properly. HeyGen tells you the assignment right in the window. At least 10 seconds, a professional mic or a smartphone, quiet room, no fan, no traffic, no TV in the background. It hands you a script to read, and you'll notice the script is high energy. That's on purpose. Read it the way you talk, not the way you'd perform it. Not an infomercial. When you finish, HeyGen grades your recording quality and hands back your voice in a few styles. I love that it does this. It builds you a few different clones and lets you hear them side by side. Pick the one that sounds most like you. When you upload or when you go to make your first video, HeyGen asks you to verify your identity. It's a quick clip of you reading a short script with a unique code. Face live on camera. Read it clearly, code and all. It's how HeyGen makes sure nobody else can ever build an avatar of your face. And this is a good thing. When your face is your business, that protection matters. Then, the moment of truth. Open your new avatar, type 2 or 3 sentences you'd say to a client this week, and generate a short test. This 3-bedroom in Austin just hit the market. And I already know your first question. Yes, that's real hardwood all the way through. The backyard gets the good evening light. And the kitchen, you'll want to see the kitchen in person. Your own words show your own delivery. That's what we're testing. If the expressions are doing too much, open your avatar's motion style settings. Turn off more expressive motion, or just pick the calm preset. If something still feels off, switch the motion engine between Avatar 5 to Avatar 4 and compare. If it still isn't you, the footage is the problem, and now you know exactly what to fix. Re-record it. It won't take long, and everything you learned today makes the second take even better. So let's use it. This is what all of this was for. I type what I would have said to camera. A new listing, 3 sentences. And out comes a finished video. My face, my voice, my energy. And I never left the couch. That's the foundation working. And it's genuinely just the foundation. The full listing video with your photos in them, the weekly market updates, the follow-ups, your videos in a second language. Every one of those starts from the avatar and voice you built today. 3 things decide how good your digital self turns out. And you control all 3. The footage, good light, real energy. Because whatever you record is what your avatar carries into every video. One continuous take. No cuts, clear pauses, and the voice clone. Clone it for real. Don't put a stranger's voice under your face. Get those right and you've done the hard part once. From here on, making a video means typing. Next time, we put your new digital self on a listing. Your first listing video, start to finish. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Your first avatar is free at HeyGen.com. The link is below. And when your avatar is ready, come and tell me how it went in the comments. Or better, tag us in a video so we can see it. You have everything you need to make this happen right now. So go, do it, and then report back. I'll see you in the next one.